Hey fellow explorers, it's Chris from TDR Explorer, and tonight I'm going to show you all the Halloween merchandise they have here at Tokyo Disneyland. So let's go. First up, my favorites, Chip and Dale. I did that backwards. Chip and Dale. These guys come as a pair, as always, and they are 2,700 yen, 2,800 yen. A little expensive, but they always come together, and they're wearing their outfits from the music festival here at Tokyo Disneyland. It's pretty cute. They come with the little pin on the back so you can put it on your bag, and they also come with the little key holder at the top here. See that? And hanging off your bag as well. Right, next is Donald. This is 1,700 yen. He has his little outfit on, part of the music festival. Really soft, cute. Then we got Daisy over here. She's looking fabulous as always. Nice and soft, which is kind of nice. And she has the whole bat and spider thing going on here. Love the colors, really cute. 2016. Then over here, we got Minnie Mouse. And she's wearing her nice frilly dress. And she has the same bat theme going on. And this is 1,700 yen as well. And then finally we got Mickey in his clubbing outfit. It's actually quite hard. And it's this little necklace here. And 1,700 yen, as all the other ones. This is plastic tumbler. There's Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald, Goofy. And this is, how much is this? 1,000 yen. It's pretty durable. If you don't like plastic, you can get some nice ceramic mug. It's pretty heavy. It's cute. And it's themed to the musical festival that's happening for Halloween here. This is 1,200 yen. Or, if you want to go even smaller, you get this shot glass. Pluto, Mickey. You can use it for coffee, shots of coffee. 500 yen for that. This really cute picture frame here. And this is 2,800 yen. Nice, like that. We got a magnet over here with Mickey. It's nice. 750 yen for that. And of course, you need a placemat to put all your mugs on. Everyone's dressed in their Halloween best. 500 yen for that, buddy. Alright, and if you want a little wash towel, you got this with Mickey and Minnie and all the other Disney friends. This one is 700 yen. Or, if you want a face towel, a little bigger. And then we got the silhouettes of all the Disney friends here. This one is 1,400 yen. It's nice. Then there's a really big towel down here, if you want that. Big old towel. It says a wide bath towel. And this one is 3,300 yen. Pretty big. Alright, and over here we got a handkerchief with Mickey Mouse on it. Nice little patterns and stuff. And this is what it looks like. And this is 800 yen. It's nice and thin. And here we have a drawstring bag. Put whatever you want in it. And on the back side too. Oh, Mickey and Friends. This guy is 700 yen. And if you want 3 smaller ones, we got them right here. This is what they look like. This is 1,500 yen. Right, moving along. If you want a Mickey and Minnie plush coming out as a set, kind of the same at Disney Sea, get that. And this is 2,400 yen. For you pin collectors out there, we got this Halloween pin for 1,000 yen. Or if you don't like pins, you can get a bunch of keychains as well. Look at that. And this is 2,000 yen. Or if that's not your thing, you want a phone case with a lot of sparkles. I'm not a fan of sparkles at all, but it's kind of cool. And this is for any smartphone that can fit. And it's 3,000 yen. And it kind of tells you the dimensions here, which phone can fit. And if buttons are your thing, you got this here. That's nice, I like it. This is 350 yen. If nano blocks are your thing, you also got this here with Mickey. And this is 1,500 yen. A little pricey, but if you're into it, it's pretty cool. And if you want the CD for the music from the parade, pop in live. You can take this to the front register and they'll give it to you. 2,700 yen. Ball pens are your thing. They also got them here. They're actually pretty big. And these are 1,600 yen. And we also have memo pads. If you like those. It's kind of cool. This is what they look like inside. And this is 1,030 yen. There's also a postcard like that. This is 200 yen. And then over here we've got a big old sticker sheet. And this is 500 yen. If you have lots of paper, you can get this clear file folder that also opens up. And on the inside, lots of little pockets to put papers in. Has all the Disney friends on it and their Halloween costumes. And of course, they have the crazy bling hat that you can get. That's from Mickey in the Pop-In Live Parade. And this is... I should have checked the price beforehand, but whatever, that's fine. 3,000 yen. Okay. A little pricey, but that's cool. Or if Mickey's not your thing, you can also get a witch hat for Minnie. That's super cute. And this is 2,300 yen, so a little bit cheaper. A little more fabulous. Or if the hat is not your thing, you can also get these mini ears. It has our little hat on it. Witch hat, and this is 1,800 yen. Pretty cute. And down here is the towel that you get to fling around during the Pop-In Live Parade. And this is actually pretty cheap. It is only 500 yen. It's a nice little towel. Cheap souvenir too. If you don't want to sit on the cold ground, you can also sit on this leisure sheet. 650 yen. And this is a plastic sheet that you set on the ground that you can sit on during the parade. It's nice. And also for Tokyo Disneyland, you got these cute plushes, Minnie in her witch outfit, and also Mickey in his club wear. These are both 2,800 yen. And nothing is complete without a shirt to go with it. Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse. They're all their signatures because they're rock stars, pop stars, whatever you want to call them. This is 2,300 yen. They come in a variety of sizes from small all the way up to double L, which is essentially an XL. Alright, fellow explorers, thank you so much for joining me as I took you through all the Halloween merchandise at Tokyo Disney Resort for 2016. Make sure you visit our website, tdrexplorer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.